Hello and welcome to the very first video of Life in Bricks. My name is Bruno and I explore the wonderful world of Lego building with a special focus on sets from the late 80s and early 90s. Maybe a bit further than that. So today we have set number 6672, our little safari truck or safari jeep, which came all the way from the Netherlands directly to Portugal. And we're gonna get right into it. All right, so let's bring our little safari truck back to life. There was two things that I loved about this set and that made me rip it off the shelf. First, it was this magnificent zebra print that I'd never seen before on a Lego. The other were these wheels. It was the first time also that I saw the suspension on the Lego. Here it is, back in its original glory. And that's a wrap. Thank you so much for taking this trip down Brickstalgia Avenue with me. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe, and let's see what small set we will rescue next time.